The LTO is making it easier for the public to report road rage, reckless driving, and even lapses within the agency through a new online platform that goes straight to the LTO chief. The LTO has rolled out i-report mo kay LTO Chief, a digital feedback system that links users directly to LTO Chief Assistant Secretary Marcos Lacanilao. Through the platform, citizens can report reckless driving, suspected corruption involving LTO personnel, and unregistered or colorum vehicles. It also covers consumer complaints against car dealers who fail to process vehicle documents on time. The site doubles as a data dashboard, showing figures such as the number of licenses suspended and legal notices issued by the agency.
Pwede nilang i-report po dito yung kanilang mga complaint. Ano po yung mga usual complaint na natatanggap po ngayon? Ngayon po, may complaint po ng mga bumili ng mga bagong sasakyan na wala pa rin yung mga kanilang mga dokumento. Ang sinasabi ng dealer ay nasa ahensya daw namin. Pero pag binerify namin, hindi nila pinoprocess. So nakapag-issue kami ng mga show cause order sa mga dealer.
The service is available via Messenger, the official website, or the 24/7 hotline 1342586. While the platform accepts anonymous reports, the LTO urges users to submit their details and supporting evidence, such as photos or videos, to speed up validation and action. By digitizing the complaint process, the LTO aims to boost accountability and encourage safer behavior on the road.